find the value of a, find the value of k. Okay, we have found the value of k. And next, these problems, I mean the problems under memoryless property are very very important. First let us see problem. The time in hours required to repair a machine is exponentially distributed with parameter lambda equal to 1 by 2. What is the probability that the repair takes at least 10 hours given its duration exceeds 9 hours? Okay. In this problem, let us consider x follows exponential distribution and denoting the time to repair the machine. Now, the probability density function of x by usual definition of exponential distribution, f of x equal to lambda into e power minus lambda x in where x greater than 0. Now simply substitute lambda equal to 1 by 2, because lambda equal to 1 by 2 is given in the problem. Substitute lambda equal to 1 by 2 here, then lambda equal to 1 by 2 in f of x formula, then 1 divided by 2 into e power minus 1 by 2 into x, where x greater than 0 is the required probability density function of exponential distribution for this problem. Now what is memoryless property? As we already discussed about memoryless property in previous video lesson, probability of x greater than s plus t given probability of x greater than s, that is equal to probability of x greater than t for any positive number s and t. Okay, now simply substitute in place of s plus t 10 and in place of s 9, because what we are given, we are asked to find at least 10 hours given its duration exceeds 9 hours. This is nothing but at least 10 hours, x greater than 10 hour given its duration exceeds 9 hours. Now this 10 can be written as probability of x greater than 9 plus 1 given x greater than 9. So using memoryless property, it lacks the memory of keeping x greater than 9. So it results to probability of x greater than 1 by this property. But therefore probability of x greater than 10 given x greater than 9 can be written as probability of x greater than 1. But we know that probability of x greater than k equal to e power minus lambda k. But therefore probability of x greater than t equal to e power minus lambda t. What is the value of lambda? Lambda equal to 1 by 2 here. But that is equal to e power minus 1 by 2 into t. That is probability of x greater than 1. What is probability of x greater than 1? Actually we have to find out probability of x greater than 1. So simply substitute t equal to 1 here, then e power minus 1 by 2 is the required answer. I mean e power minus 1 by 2 equal to 0.6065 is the required answer. Simple formula, a simple problem, but very very important problem. And next we are going to see another problem under memoryless property. The time in hours required to repair a machine is exponentially distributed with parameter lambda equal to 1 by 2. Our first question is, what is the probability that the repair time exceeds 2 hours? And second question, what is the conditional probability that a repair time takes at least 11 hours given that its duration exceeds 8 hours? So x greater than 11 given x greater than 8 is the term we have to find out using memoryless property for second question. For first question, let us as usual assume x follows exponential distribution with parameter lambda, and lambda value is also given, lambda equal to 1 by 2. Here lambda value is given, lambda equal to 1 by 2 here. And next simply substitute lambda value in the PDF formula of exponential distribution, then 1 divided by 2 into e of minus 1 by 2 into x greater than or equal to 0, and x greater than 0, x greater than or equal to 0 both take same meaning for continuous distribution. Already I discussed this in our class. Now first we have to calculate probability of x greater than k. Probability of x greater than k equal to e power minus lambda k. This follows as usual property from memoryless property. Here lambda equal to 1 by 2 and k equal to 2. Simply substitute lambda equal to 1 by 2 here and k equal to 2 here. So the resultant value equal to e to the power minus 1. So e power minus 1 is the required answer for this problem. Okay, because what is the probability? The repair time exceeds 2 hours means we have to find out probability of x greater than 2. In place of k we have 2, so k equal to 2, and in place of lambda we have 1 by 2. Lambda is directly given 1 by 2, so simply substitute lambda equal to 1 by 2 and k equal to 2 in this formula, in this property, then probability of x greater than 2 equal to e power minus 1 is the required answer. And next, for second problem, the memoryless property states that as usual probability of x greater than s plus t given x greater than s equal to probability of x greater than t for any positive s and t. But now what is the question? Actually we are asked, the question is see, what is the conditional probability that the repair takes at least 11 hours given its time duration exceeds 8 hours. So for this factor we have to find out the repair time exceeds 11 hours, x greater than 11, and given that it exceeds the repair time exceeds 8 hours, x greater than 11. You see, the repair takes at least 11 hours. So for at least value we have to take greater than or equal to symbol or strictly greater than symbol. Being this is continuous distribution, greater than or equal to and greater than both take to same value. So probability of at least 11 hours, I mean x greater than 11, and its repair time exceeds 8 hours means that also x greater than 8. So this x greater than 11 can be written as x greater than 8 plus 3 according to this given value. I mean this value we have to partiate, we have to make partition this value. Therefore probability of x greater than 8 plus 3 given probability of x greater than 8. Now it lacks the memory of probability of x greater than 8. So result value is probability of x greater than 3. This follows from memoryless property. And now we have to find out probability of x greater than 3 value. What is probability of x greater than t value? E power minus lambda t. Then simply substitute lambda equal to 1 by t here, then e power minus 1 by 2 into t. Then what is the probability of x greater than 3? Simply substitute k equal to, I mean t equal to 3 here. In this place t equal to 3. You just compare these two. In this place t equal to 3. So probability of x greater than 3 equal to, simply substitute t equal to 3 here, then e to the power minus 1 divided by 2 into 3, that is equal to e power minus 1.5. So this is the way to solve the problems under memoryless property. Problems under memoryless properties are very very important and easy also. Now I shall give you one practice problem. You just do this practice problem by yourself. This is very easy to solve. You follow the method what we have followed in previous problems. The amount of time that a watch will run without having to be reset is a random variable having an exponential distribution with mean 120 days. Find the probability that such a watch will have to be set in less than 24 days, not have to be reset in at least 128. For first problem we have to find out probability of x less than 24. So this follows as usual by using the properties. By using this property, this probability of x less than 24 can be written as, using complementary law of probability 1 minus probability of x greater than or equal to 24, and simply using this property we can substitute, we have to substitute lambda value and k value directly here. So k value mean equal to 120 day means lambda value equal to 1 divided by lambda equal to 120. So lambda equal to 120, simply substitute those values in the PDF formula, then you can get this value. And the probability of x greater than or equal to 24 is directly substitute the value of k here 24 and lambda value t equal lambda value 1 divided by 120, I mean lambda equal to 1 divided by 120. Simply substitute lambda value and k value directly here, then you will get e to the power minus 3 by 2 as the answer. Okay, therefore you practice this problem, and we shall meet soon in next video lesson. Thank you.